This is Britt with Black Rock Underground. Today's date is March 28th, 2024. We are at 2240 Southwest Roxbury Avenue, Portland, Oregon, 97225. Here we're going to be looking at the sanitary sewer. Access was granted through a clean out here located in the back of the home. As I pull the lid off here, there is no cap on this, so we recommend putting a cap on that. Kind of as a reference point, the backyard, I believe the main line's going to be out there. And so we do have water running through a lower bathroom. At the time, we'll zero out the footage marker here and we'll begin our inspection. So it looks like we're in a section of, there's a little section of PVC. In here, we transition back into the cast iron. Here we transition into what appears to be transite. Kind of at every joint here we're seeing gaskets at the joint. Usually that's a sign that the pipe is breaking down due to its age. I'm going to pause the video here. Okay. I'm going to try to push out a little bit farther here. Okay, so we've turned the water off, gave the line a chance to drain. I believe now from just locating this, I'm in the city main line. It's running in the position of the main line, the camera locate is. So I'm going to pull back, maybe I push through the connection point, see if we can see where this ties in. So it looks like here is kind of the Y. I would assume this is where it ties into the city main line. I'm going to pause and locate this. Okay, so we've located this section down on the corner of the property. It looks like it ties in just under the neighbor's fence. I've kind of put a pink line down there indicating just on the other side of the fence where that pink line is where we connect. So here on top we see a little bit of a soil intrusion in that joint. Here we see kind of a soil intrusion on the bottom left hand of the screen. We can see the gasket. Kind of a little chip out of the line. It's just indicating that the line's breaking down. It's coming to the end of its life, starting to deteriorate. So here's a chunk of the pipe gone. We can see the gasket. Usually if you can see the gasket, it's an indication the line is no longer sealed. Things are probably leaking out. Here, again, kind of a soil intrusion here on the side. And top. Same thing here at this joint. Same thing here at this joint. I'm going to pause and locate this. Okay, we've located that. Kind of here where our camera is underwater. We do see an area of pooling here. Again, we're seeing a pretty significant amount of the gasket. And just on the side, little chips of the transite are starting to break away, exposing the gasket. Here again on the left-hand side of the screen, a piece of the pipe is chipped away, and on the right side. And here's our transition to cast iron. I'm going to pause and locate this. Okay, I've located this right next to the clean out. And here we are coming up the clean out. A point of reference. Looking out in the backyard. So at this time, this is a failing sewer inspection due to the breakdown of the material at most all the joints, the soil intrusions, and the area of pooling located in the video inspection. So at this time, no further action is required. This will end the video.